got him. Yep. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, good works. She's on him now. Oh. Good shooting. Two of them there. This one's dead. Yep. That was good. I didn't expect two to come up there. I'll put them in mine if you hold my gun. Good job. Is there? Sorry.
No, that's my bad. I peeked over the shotgun.
My hand's so fucking cold I can't feel my safety. I got him.
Yeah, I'm full, so. Yeah, I missed the first one, then I peeked over the gun. I just, no.
Is my camera still going?
Yeah.
He's still alive.
I saw he was winged. I didn't want to chase him because
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if he would fly. So I wanted to get the dog over there, but she ran right past one of them in that shelter belt. But she chased that one down. Lucy.
All right.
Good?
Yep. All right. Good job. Yep, good shot. He's on one. The heck? Maybe not. Lucy. Lucy, here. Lucy's got this one. Yeah, she's got it. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Lucy, here. Lucy, here. Lucy, here. Good girl. Nice shot, Dad. Yeah, might as well. Oh, she's got something. Probably him. He got back up. He's running, I'm pretty sure. That's the same one? I don't think it is. Yeah, that ain't the same one. I got it. You guys can just stay up there. Here, Lucy. Lucy, here. Lucy, here. Lucy, here. Okay. Okay. Thank you. That was nice. Yeah, thank you, buddy.
Yeah, really good point. I know you couldn't see her, but from my point of
Yeah.
view.
Dog? Fuck. That's our wounded one. He's right over here.
Yeah.
I didn't hit him.
Yeah, I saw him right at the
Yeah. Lucy, here. No, that was our wounded one from before.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it ran across. I missed it. Yeah, Spencer got that one. We saw her hit one. I missed it. saw blood back there.
Yeah. I think he either sat or he went across the sofa here.
Well, she acted like she was on something. Maybe let's work it back, but keep it a little bit more this way. Maybe he sidestepped us. I don't know.
It's really dry. Not good setting. Can you give us a slip going down through there?
Yep. We'll take her back and get her a drink, and we can come back. Let it settle. Good shot, Dad.
I shot his head off.
Did ya? I'm right here. Yeah, I'm following it. Well, shit. Shoulder feathers. She's right here, Dad. She's got him. Right here.
See her?
Yeah, she's right here. She's got him.
Good girl. Here, Lucy. Lucy, right here. Lucy, here. Here. Good girl. Lucy, here. Lucy. Good girl. Good girl.
Surprised he ran. I heard him hit the ground right next to me in the trees.
Yeah.
I thought he was fucking dead.
Good girl, Lucy.
You know, I heard him go, whoo, whoo, whoo. She was over here putting the squeeze on him.
Come on, Lucy, here.
Good shot. I could hear him flying through there.
I heard him cackling, get
Yeah.
up, and I had just a little bitty fucking gap there. It was a snapshot and a half. Good girl, Lucy.
Good shot, Dad. Good shot.
I can hold your gun if you'd like. Good girl, Lucy. Did she point that one?
She scared him up.
Yeah. She's on him?
Yeah, she's.
That
That was.
Alright. I'm gonna walk on the other side of the thicket at first, so,
Okay.
so someone's on the other side. I'll go down through the middle.
Okay.